Hey guys, are you want to buy best car voltage testers and multimeters? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car voltage testers and multimeters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Foxwell Car Battery Tester. The Foxwell BT705 car battery tester sets a new standard for accuracy and reliability in automotive diagnostics. Delivering 99.9% precise results for 12V and 24V batteries, it evaluates SOH, SOC, CCA, starter, and alternator performance, far surpassing basic testers that often give inconsistent readings. This makes it ideal for DIY mechanics, small garages, auto repair shops, or anyone preparing for road trips or weekend car maintenance. Designed to perform even in extreme cold, below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the BT705 detects weak batteries before they leave you stranded, providing peace of mind in winter conditions. It performs comprehensive battery health checks in seconds, identifying hidden issues such as low output, faulty diodes, or unstable charging that ordinary voltage-only testers miss. The enlarged 2.8-inch LCD display offers clear, intuitive results, and the 5.9 feet extended cable with secure copper clamps allows safe, solo operation. Rugged, reliable, and backed by Foxwell's 14-plus years of expertise, the BT705 is a professional-grade, user-friendly tool for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and more. Now our second product is Kaiweets Digital Multimeter. The Kaiweets HT118A Multimeter is a professional-grade, versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and electricians. Capable of measuring up to 1000 V DC, 750 V AC, 10 A current, and 60 M omega resistance, it also tests temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diodes, continuity, and wire on-off status, making it an all-in-one diagnostic solution. Operation is intuitive, with a switchable dial and LED-lit jacks that guide connections. The large 2.9-inch backlit LCD offers 6,000 count resolution for easy readability, while auto-ranging removes the guesswork. Additional features include non-contact voltage detection, audible and visual live alerts, min-max average recording, data retention, and a convenient flashlight for dim conditions. Built with safety in mind, it meets IEC Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V ratings, featuring dual ceramic fuses, thermistor protection, high-voltage safeguards, double insulation, and a silicone case to prevent damage. Backed by 36 months of service and lifetime technical support, the HT118A is a reliable, durable multimeter for any electrical task. Our third product is AstroAI Digital Multimeter. The versatile digital multimeter is a professional-grade tool designed for precise measurement and troubleshooting. It accurately measures AC/DC current and voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diodes, continuity, and temperature, making it ideal for both automotive and household electrical work. Its true RMS function ensures accurate readings for both AC current and voltage, while auto-ranging simplifies operation by automatically selecting the correct measurement range. Thoughtful design features enhance usability, including a large backlit LCD for easy reading, data hold, auto shut-off, and a convenient kickstand. Safety is a priority, with double ceramic fuses and explosion-proof F400 mA/600V and F10A/600V fuse tubes protecting the device from overloads. This multimeter is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and professionals alike, providing reliable and safe measurements. Backed by a responsive California-based technical support team, it ensures guidance and assistance whenever needed, making it a dependable addition to any electrical toolkit. Now number 4, Awning Multimeter. The Awning SC12 Digital Multimeter is a versatile and highly precise tool designed for both professional and home use. Boasting 20,000 counts in magnetic adsorption, it securely attaches to metal surfaces, allowing safe, hands-free measurements in any position. Its built-in flashlight and kickstand make testing in dim or awkward spaces convenient, while features like min/max function, data hold, low battery alert, and auto power off enhance usability and efficiency. This multifunctional tester measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, continuity, diodes, and NCV. Its high DC voltage accuracy, plus or minus 0.08% plus 5, and intelligent LED jack indicators ensure precise, safe operation, preventing misuse or damage. Ideal for household outlets, vehicle batteries, automotive circuits, and electronics troubleshooting, it's a must-have for industrial or domestic electrical tasks. Built with a double fuse safety system and impact-resistant ABS housing with rubber overmolding, the SC12 offers durability and reliability. Complete with leads, probes, and accessories in a convenient carrying bag, it's perfect for DIYers, professionals, and gifting. And our last choice is Neotech's 6000 counts digital multimeter. The Neotech 6000 counts digital multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. It accurately measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, diodes, continuity, live wire, and NCV, offering comprehensive diagnostic capabilities. Auto/manual ranging, automatic polarity, and unit symbol display enhance efficiency and precision, making electrical testing safe and straightforward. Safety is a priority, with dual built-in fuses, overload protection, and Cat 3600V rating preventing damage to both the device and circuits. Encased in a durable silicone cover, it provides extra protection against drops and impacts. The large, backlit LCD screen ensures clear readings even in low light conditions, while the fold-out stand allows convenient 45-degree viewing. Thoughtful features like a built-in flashlight, data hold, continuity buzzer, and auto-off function further improve usability. With wide applications across home, automotive, and professional environments, this multimeter is a dependable, user-friendly choice for any electrical task. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.